To schedule a DigitalOcean Droplet Firewall, start by understanding the basics of DigitalOcean and its firewall management system. DigitalOcean is a cloud platform that provides scalable and flexible infrastructure to build and deploy applications. A droplet is a virtual machine that can be used to host applications and services. The DigitalOcean Firewall is a network security system that controls incoming and outgoing traffic to and from your droplets. Scheduling a droplet firewall involves configuring rules to allow or block traffic based on specific protocols, ports, and IP addresses. To schedule a droplet firewall, log into your DigitalOcean account and navigate to the networking section. Click on Firewalls and then click on Create Firewall. Give your firewall a name and select the droplet you want to associate it with. Next, configure the inbound rules by specifying the protocol, port range, and source IP address. For example, to allow HTTP traffic from any IP address, select TCP as the protocol, 80 as the port range, and 0.0.0.0/0 as the source IP address. You can also configure outbound rules to control traffic leaving your droplet. Make sure to apply the rules carefully to avoid blocking essential traffic. After configuring the rules, click on Create Firewall to apply the changes. The firewall will now be active and will start controlling traffic to and from your droplet based on the rules you specified. Best practices for scheduling a droplet firewall include regularly reviewing and updating your firewall rules to ensure they are still relevant and effective. You should also monitor your droplet's traffic and adjust the rules as needed to prevent security breaches. In addition, consider using a firewall management tool to simplify the process of managing multiple firewalls and rules. This can help reduce errors and improve the overall security of your droplets. By following these steps and best practices, you can effectively schedule a DigitalOcean Droplet Firewall and secure your applications and services from unauthorized access.